Electronic and Computer Department from Dronacharya Group of Institution, and here I am studying for OOPS in Java, and this is very beneficial for our placement purpose.
Hi everyone, my name is Ashish and I am from Electronics and Computer Engineering branch in Dronacharya Group of Institution. And in this internship, we are learning OOPS concept, and in this we are also working on the Spring Boot. So in the OOPS concept, we are working on encapsulation, inheritance, abstractions, and all these concepts.
Greater Noida, and I'm Alka.
I'm Vidya from CSE background, currently studying in 4th year. In this summer internship, we have chosen the domain of DSA in Java, and it is helping me out for the placement. And we are currently doing lead code and a lot of hash map problems, mainly from TCS, Wipro, and many other companies that are regularly visiting our campus, and that's really helpful.
This additional training is also helping us so far for our placement and training exam.
Hello everyone, my name is Devan Sharma and I am the Tech 4th year student of CSP of Dronacharya Group of Institution, and I have done summer internship program at Dronacharya Group of Institution. And in this internship program, we are studying about Android application and how we will learn real-time Android application program and how we will make it.
Hello everyone, I am Yati Bhatnagar from Dronacharya Group of Institution, 4th year CSE AIML, and in this summer internship I have joined Android development course. In this course we have working on real-time
Hi everyone, myself Prince Yadav. Currently I am pursuing a BTech degree in Dronacharya Group of Institution in Computer Science and Engineering Department. Now currently I am moving ahead in second year, and the best part of this college is that it provides me a summer internship as well as the training program in my first year college, which will help me further my third year as well as in fourth year for my placement. In training program we have learned that the core concept of DSA and the real world problems which we will face in our further upcoming classes.
I am Krishna from Dronacharya Group of Institution, currently in second year. My college has organized a summer training internship in DSA, in C, and many other languages. This helps us to develop our skills for technical as well as many other. This DSA will help in our internship.
Hello everyone, my name is Ronak Kumar, and I'm currently pursuing BTech CSE from Dronacharya Group of Institution, and I'm very grateful that I have been selected for this SEP, that is Student Training Program, that is organized by our Department of Applied Science. And this program is very important for our upcoming future, that is we can participate or we can put ourselves in competition level, or that can skill up our technical skills.
Very warm greetings to everyone. My name is Pushkar Nagar from AIML branch of Dronacharya Group of Institutions. On behalf of all the students who are a part of this summer training program, I would like to thank the college because this program will help us enhancing our DSA skills as well as providing us extra knowledge about lead code, which will further help us to target the future interviews and cracking big companies like Google, Microsoft, etc.
second year BTech student at Dronacharya Group of Institution, and here we got selected in summer training camp through written and mock test, and here we are learning DSA and C programming language.
And I am Chirag Rawat.
We are currently from Dronacharya Group of Institution, 4th year student with the branch CSE.
We are currently enrolled in a Java Spring Boot internship program. It is a 4-week program.
In this program, we are learning from the basics of Java to the advanced along with the Spring Boot and how it
Greetings everyone, I am Arvind Sani from Dronacharya Group of Institutions, Greater Noida. Here for the summer internship class, I have joined the GATE preparation where I am studying network, EDC and analog for the GATE 2020.
Greetings
everybody. I am Srishti studying at Dronacharya Group of Institutions, Gautam Buddha Nagar. Currently, I am a BTech third year student from ECZ department. Here at Dronacharya Group of Institutions, we are doing summer school program where we are preparing for our GATE 2027 exam.